Grades 5, 6, 7, I didn't just want them to put up a show. I really wanted to leave them with something that they could think about and something that they could internalize.
Or I'm thankful for giving me an opportunity to improve my acting in EIR. Or I am thankful for my mother and father. Or I'm thankful about education, thankful for my parents.
I am the assistant director of this AIR for both the plays. I was very excited when I was chosen for AD. From the very first day, I started understanding that a job of AD is very difficult. Many people were not listening to me, but then I realized I should respect the stage, the performances. Then the very next day, I started implementing this and people started listening to me. And the favorite moment of mine was I could keep Jasmine happy, I could give her tea on correct time, and I could get her what she needed.
Before we even began blocking the play or doing any kind of choreography, we spoke a lot. I really wanted them to understand what they were showing, you know. And we began speaking about really, really mature things.
Imagine the fear, imagine the pain, imagine mothers and fathers and sisters and brothers, little children. April 13th, 1919.
Baisakhi 1919.
Yes.
There was a huge meeting in Jallianwala Bagh.
That's right.
So starting to talk about intention, to talk about action, to talk about movement, to talk about freedom. And I think this was tied throughout every day with talking about gratitude. Freshen up, get your mind. I really, really, really want this to be a silent break. And because we were talking about the freedom struggle, we started talking about what freedom really means, what conflict means, and more than an external freedom and an external conflict, we began talking about internal conflict and about internal freedom.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high.
Rose in the hearts of people, but have been ignored by our rulers. जो तुमने खातरी हो, आने आना सामने करवा हिम्मत हो, तो आपने करिए.
It is not what has gotten us. The murder of my brother? No, Babu, not anymore.
And I think my entire process this time was really, really focused and talking about gratitude.
That what is bouncing out of it is gratitude, respect, values, whatever you stand for truly. So I would like to see that on stage today.
There's a lot of movement, there's a lot of slower movement, there's a lot of pauses, there's a lot of understanding what silence is, understanding what music is, and how do you use movement to tell a story. And I think the kids have really, really done a good job because they've understood what they're saying, they've understood space and time in a very, very different fashion.
I'm thankful for learning the science behind the electrical candles which I have made for the performance. I'm thankful for costume because in costume I learned stitching, color combination and characters through their costume.
I'm thankful for learning about lights and sound that we have got in a school for performance. for being behind the camera to capture the most memorable moments in this AIR.
The children were totally immersed into that program by the artist. There is a sense of sincerity and calmness that I find in all of them. And I can have so many examples like this. So I think the whole idea of gratitude that the artists got in to the whole system of children led to this kind of a play.
बापू की जय, बापू की जय, बापू की जय.
I think we ended every day with a beautiful thank you circle. We ended days with talking about what is being a giver, what is being a receiver. We ended up talking a lot about what do you want to be remembered for. And I really think that this play and this production, what we've put up, this movement piece, it will be remembered for the intention behind the action that they're trying to show. So I really think it's a difficult process to understand, but I have enjoyed this process so much. And if the kids have enjoyed it, then my work here is done completely.